It's not the paper that's the problem. It's what the paper represents. It's amazing to me that I'm still talking about paper. It was 1988 that I wrote the first book, Taming the Paper Tiger. And we were already beginning to talk about the paperless era. But here I am still talking about it. And the question is, why? You know, it's not the paper that's the problem. It's what the paper represents. It's our hopes, our dreams, our expectations, our history. It's how we spent our life and what we cared about and what we want to remember. Just in the past month, I've heard stories from 2 different people where they literally were struck with life-threatening events and still are concerned about what to do with the paper. When we work with people with their paper, or when we talk about it, the first thing they always ask is, how long is this going to take and how much is it going to cost? And the answer is, well, we can't tell you that till we know exactly what the problem is, and also, frankly, how quickly you make decisions. Because if you've heard me say many times, clutter is postponed decisions. So if you agonize over the decisions, it's going to take a long time. If you make them more quickly, it will take less time. But here's the truth. The longer you wait, the longer it will take, and the more it will cost in lost opportunities. Why do you want to waste your time looking at piles of paper and file cabinets and boxes of things with this kind of feeling in the back of your mind that you really should do something, when you could be playing golf or being with your grandchildren or writing a book or going on vacation or taking a nap? And also that paper is probably affecting other people as well. And last of all, the longer you wait, the older you get, the harder it will be to manage this. So if you are struggling with paper, now is the time to solve the problem. And the good news is it's not nearly as difficult as you think it is if you get help. And you've heard me say this many times. Asking for help is a sign of wisdom, not weakness. So I encourage you, go to productiveenvironmentscore.com. Fill out that productive environment scorecard. It'll take you a few minutes and you'll get a score, and you'll have an opportunity to schedule a complimentary conversation with one of our certified productive environment specialists to help you figure out what you need to do. Everybody's different. Organizing is an art. You paint a picture of why you want to get organized, why you're struggling with it, and what success will look like. And then we'll help you create a plan to get there. It's never too late to organize your paper.